Hello sir, hello ma'am. May I know your name and where do you stay in Hyderabad?
I'm Radhika. We stay here in Lingampalli.
Okay, what is your child's age?
2.5 years.
What kind of classes or institutes were you looking for your child?
Play schools.
So which other play schools did you consider?
Actually, we directly came here.
Okay, so which one did you choose finally and why?
We chose Serra only.
Why?
Because
the
main concern is we want to, it should be a walkable distance for us. That's the main.
Based on your experience so far, tell us two best things about Serra International Preschool.
caring and responsibility.
And anything that would be better?
We think they should implement some activities like sharing activity and show and tell activities.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Serra International Preschool to other parents?
5.
Thank you so much.